Good day, everyone. My name is Divine Okoje. I'm a student of Lagos State University, LASU. And right about now, I'm going to be teaching us a brief tutorial on mathematics. And today's topic is going to be indices. At the end of this lecture, students should be able to 1. Understand the meaning of indices. 2. The concept of basic numbers and power. 3. The concept of positive and negative indices. Then 4. The rules of indices. These rules just implies product of the numbers with the same basis, division of numbers with the same basis, and numbers with 0 powers. So I begin here with the definition of indices. What are indices? Indices are numbers with power. Indices are numbers with powers. Indices are ways of expressing numbers in a simplified form. What this means that anything raised to power, like take for instance, we want to write 5 raised to power 2. This means that the index of this 5 is 2. So the power of this 5 here is 2. You understand? Index are just the singular of indices. Indices is just the plural of indices. So now we move to the next thing, which is numbers with a negative power. This is taken as a reciprocal of the same result when the negative sign is removed. Examples are like a raised to power minus 1. If you can solve this, which is equals to 1 over a raised to power 1, or you can just include 1 over a. Anything raised to power 1 is still the same number. It's just a significant number. Another example is 2 raised to power minus 3. Now this is the negative. For us to solve and remove the negative here, we write it like this, which is 1 raised to power 2 power 3. And we cannot just leave our answer here, which is equals to 2 raised to power 2 times 2 times 2, which is equals to 1 over 8. Now you may ask me, how did I solve to get 1 over 8? Like I said, indices are numbers with powers. And how do we solve it? Anything raised to power the number means you're multiplying itself, which includes, now for this now, which is 2 power 3, which means 2 in 3 places, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Which is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. That's how I got my 8 here. You are getting? So now we move to the next one, which is product of numbers with the same basis. This is done by one of the bases and by some one of the bases with the powers. Now this is an example, which is a power b times a power c, which is equals to a power b plus c. This is another example here. Let's use numbers this time, which is 2 power 2 times 2 power 3, which is equals to 2 power 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5. So the same way I solved it here, that's the same way we are going to use the same method, apply it here, which is 2 power 5, which is 2 in 5 places. 2 multiplied 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 in 5 places, which is equals to 32. So the last one we're going to touch on is division of numbers with the same basis. This is done by taking one of the bases and subtracting the power. Example like a divided by a power b divided by a power c, which is equals to a power b divided by a power c, which is equals to a b minus c. You understand? Like I said, division of numbers with the same basis. This is done by taking one of the bases and subtracting the power. So we just choose between these two, since they have the same basis, which is a power then b minus c. You understand? That's how we solve this one. So now let's solve with numbers to expatiate more for you to understand. This is 3 divided by 4. 3 power 4, sorry, divided by 3 power 3, which is equals to 3. Then you just pick one of the bases, which is I pick 3. Then 4 minus 3, which is equals to 3 power 1. And like I said from the beginning, that anything power 1 is still the same thing as the coefficients, which is 3. that is how I got it. So I believe, thank you for watching, and in my next class, I'll be talking more on indices and more of the rules of indices. God bless you.